Hello Theatre Junction. So I've seen that Charlotte has given you a 6-word challenge, and I thought I would add on to that to give you a little bit of coordination skills to go with this challenge. So taking your 6 words that you have made, and I want you to add on a movement for each word. So I'm going to show you a little example of what I mean by that. So I'm taking Charlotte's example of born a twin, graduated only child. So I've gone quite literal with this, but you don't have to. You can do it abstract, but I thought some of you would prefer to do it a little bit literal to help you generate that movement. So we've got born, so I'm touching my belly. A, twin, graduated, only, child. So that is very literal, as you can tell. But please feel free to be more creative or abstract with it, so you can be using your levels, coming off a chair if you were on a chair. Please keep it just gestural. So by gestures I mean hand movements, head, feet. So they're quite simple movements. It's not like a big routine as such, but you can still have a sense of flow. And these can all still be gestures. Yeah, so have a go, a little bit of coordination for you to have a go at and have fun.